In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Viber app on an Android phone. So as always, make sure you've got internet connection or mobile data enabled. Go ahead and open the Play Store. Once inside, click on the search bar at the bottom, then click inside the search bar at the top. When your keyboard appears, type in Viber. Then click on the Viber Messenger. Here you can see general information about the app if you want to read that before you install. Otherwise, click the blue install button. You'll see a progress report in the top left as it's downloading the app to your phone. Once it's downloaded, it will start installing. Depending on the speed of your internet, this could take several minutes. Once the app has downloaded and installed to your phone, you can open it direct from the Play Store, or you can come out of it, scroll through your phone, and an app icon should have been downloaded and saved. For quick access, simply click on that. And there's the app loaded onto my phone, and that's how you install the Viber app on an Android phone.